I'm Chandler Scott, project manager with Stone Building. We're building the Marshall on 5th. This morning we've got our largest concrete pour in company history, pouring 800 plus yards right now. I'm a professional engineer. I've been in the industry for 6 years. Working with Stone Building has been a great experience. Put a lot of value in being ahead of schedule. Excellent processes on procurement and not letting something slip through the cracks. Had a lot of learning curves on the first Marshall we built and implemented those here, which helped us expedite the construction and be more efficient without changes and being able to be more accurate with the work we install. As you can see, we've got concrete on the right, we've got wood framing on the left, staggering our construction, going up 400 yards in already, halfway through the pour, finishing it out by about 11. We should be topped out with the project in August. Continue going up from there, coming back down, roughing in. This is our final concrete pour. All right, we split this parking structure into 4 different pours on 2 different levels, so 8 total pours. This one here today is the largest one. We've got 2 different pump trucks going. We've got a 65 meter and a 57 meter. We've got 2 different crews with the finishing company, Summit out of Atlanta. And you can see we're working in 2 different directions to keep the live edge going on the concrete right there and right over there. This higher concrete right here will all be finished apartments. This is Stone Building on the Marshall on 5th, and I'm Chandler Scott.